Hey ninjas, welcome back. Today, we are going to learn about error handling. When executing JavaScript code, different errors can occur. Errors can be coding errors made by the programmer, errors due to wrong input, and other unforeseeable things. Luckily, JavaScript gives us ways to catch and handle these errors so our program doesn't just crash. Before we dive into how to handle them, let's first understand the different types of errors in JavaScript. There are mainly three common types of errors you'll encounter in JavaScript. Syntax error: this happens when you write code incorrectly. For example, here I forgot to write the closing parenthesis. Since the syntax is wrong, the code will immediately stop and show a syntax error before running anything else. Runtime error: this happens while the program is running. Here the syntax is fine, but n is a number and numbers don't have a method called to uppercase. That's why JavaScript throws a type error while running the code. Logical error: this is when the code runs without crashing, but the result is not what you expected because of a mistake in your logic. Here the program runs, but dividing by 0 doesn't make sense. JavaScript doesn't throw an error, it just gives infinity, which is a wrong logical result. And to handle all these types of error, we use the try-catch statement. Here we simply put risky code inside a try block, and if something goes wrong, the catch block will run. Here the error happens because X is not defined. Normally this would stop the program, but with try-catch, the error is caught and we show a custom message instead. And we can also use finally blocks if we want to print or run some code no matter what happens, whether the try block succeeds or an error occurs. We always write the finally block after the catch block, and the order looks like this. As you can see on the screen, finally block runs no matter what. It always executes whether there's an error in the try or catch section or not. And we can use the throw keyword if we want to create our own error in the code when something goes wrong. We write throw inside the try block whenever we want to stop the code and show a custom error message. The structure looks like this. Here, we use throw inside the try block to create a custom error if someone tries to divide by 0. The catch block then handles that error so the program doesn't crash. This way, we control the error and show a clear message. So ninjas, this was all about error handling in JavaScript. With these tools, your programs won't just crash, they'll handle errors gracefully and keep running smoothly. Now, see you in the next lesson.